The story begins with a first-person narrator who makes a emergency landing due to a technical problem with his plane in the Sahara Desert Africa, a place far from civilization and with limited supply of drinking water. The narrator, who is a pilot, begins to repair his plane. He was in great danger because of limited drinking water and only had 8 days to leave the desert. After the first night, the little prince appeared and escaped the palace planned pilot to draw a ship for him. The pilot wrote down the story to keep the little prince alive in his memory. From there, the intensive conversation over several days and from the pilot's question, he learned the little prince came from a planet so small that he could see sunsets 43 times in one day. Given limited space, the three larger pop-up trees oppose a tree. Apart of from that, there's another plant that is very close to the little prince, namely rose. Even though there was some misunderstanding between them and the rose still do not give up. A pregnant aroma to him, the little prince also had three volcanoes, which he swept as usual before his departure. On his way to Earth, the little prince visited a number of small planets. Tom Sawyer is a boy who lives in his town, Polly, on the bank of the Mississippi River. He seemed to really enjoy getting in trouble. After skipping school one day and getting into fly, though Tom is punished with the task of cleaning fence. However, the turns the punishment into a bit of entertainment and tricked the other boy into completing the job for him. He convinced the boy that the task is a great honor, so he accepts small valuable objects as payment. Around this time, Tom fell in love with a young girl, Vicky Thatcher. She suffered under a Whitley Soman and engagement with him before she avoided him after she heard of Tom. Previous engagement to Amy Lawrence. He tries to win back. But it doesn't quell as he rejects the gift he tries to give her. Humiliated, Tom runs away and dreams up a plan to escape. It's around it is time that Tom had Michael Huckleberry Finn, who would become the titular character in Twain's most famous novel. Huck and Tom agree to meet in graveyard at midnight to test a scheme to cure what is solving a dead cat. The boy meet at the graveyard, which brings the novel to people's scan when they witness a murder in Johnson's skill. Dr. Robinson attempts to play in on drunken move Porter. In June, Joe is unaware that the boy have seen what he did. Fearing the consequence of its conflict can Huck or Silan. However, Tom becomes very depressed when Move got to prison for Robinson murder. The pain with the character for Bill and Tan reveal themselves until their funeral, matching into truths. Families and Tan find happiness and much to distress have been honored by adopted. And finally, I will tell you about my impression of studying English at Duta Bangsa University before 3 months and after 3 months. When I first entered college, I was quite confused by the lesson heard during class, and also had to adjust to life in campus environment. But when I was confused, I did remain silent, and that's where I started learning more vocabulary, often practicing speaking English, often listening to songs, and also often ex-friend who understood much more about the material given by lecture. After 3 months, what I feel now is about speaking English. When I was at school and only listening to song and include English book study. When I was in college, there I gained extraordinary knowledge. Whether every day with a lecturer who talk in a class be speaking English, and that's where I start to understand how to speak, which is good and correct, and then I also made more familiar with a lot and vocabulary in the world of English. Yes. Apart from that, I have gained a lot of knowledge related to English is that by learning English with strong intention and enthusiasm, I can broaden my horizon and knowledge. um, I can achieve my dream in the future. Okay, that's all from my video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time, guys. See you next time, guys. See you next time. Assalamualaikum.